Good morning. I'm out planting plants in my neighbor's yard. I have permission, don't worry. And I had to make a video because I have another video about the 4 benefits of gardening. But this is a idea that I did not share in there, which is maybe one of the biggest benefits of gardening. And so this is really important and I want you to pay attention. I think that anyone who wants to successfully learn how to do hard things needs to grow a garden. Not because gardening is hard per se, although some people might say that it is, and some people might also think that there's a lot to learn if you've never done it before. But the process of transformation that happens to you when you are gardening is something that starts to shift how you see yourself and your ability to do hard things. And the other really amazing benefit, which I talk about in my other 4 benefits of gardening video, are all the other things you get: the fresh food, the fresh air, community connections, possibly health benefits in terms of lower stress, lower blood pressure, and all that. So I really don't know if you have space for a garden, but maybe you have space for a houseplant. And if you don't have space for a garden, or you think, well, it's June, Rachel, or whenever you're watching this, what am I going to do? A lot of people grow things in a tray on their kitchen countertop. Unless it's the dead of winter, there are probably things that you can plant. A lot of people plant in their springtime, but that's not the only time that you can plant. And I am happy to assist you and support you in the process of either learning about the plants yourself and how to care for them, but also what happens as you start to learn about yourself. And the process of transformation and empowerment and resilient skill building that happens in the garden is something that I want everyone to try out at least one time in their lifetime. All right, if you're watching this on YouTube, please give this a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and there's a little bell so you can get notified of when new YouTubes come out. And if you're watching it anywhere else, share it with a friend who wants to do something that they feel like is hard and they don't know how they're going to do it. In my Nourish Yourself with Nature online course, we don't specifically talk about gardening, but I break down how to do big, complex, hard things and the skills that you can do to help you do that. All right, have a great day. This is Rachel Stravelli signing off. Bye.